Dudes and dudettes, it's me, Mr. R, the Ancient One, and Mr. B and Mr. M. So today, we're going out of character here, and we're again doing a moped. Friend of Mr. M's has a little problem with the bike, and Mr. B is going to explain what the hell's going on. So let's move over to him and see what he's got to say.
So did you mopeds leave the beer?
I've got beer. I've got real beer. I got soda.
I got pussy beer.
Are you still on that shit?
I'm still on that shit.
Well, I didn't have to have my beer.
Oh, shall I open it for you?
Because I can't do that shit when holding this camera. There you go.
To the moped crew.
The moped crew, the RBM Moped Crew. Oh, holy shit, what's coming on top? Alright guys, let's get to work. Got some shit to do. So as usual, after a night of working on the bikes and stuff, first thing we do is finish our beers, say our goodbyes and leave. What we always forget is to clean up our tools. We're gonna see if we can get a change in that and start doing it right for a change.
You got a WhatsApp message from the owner. It started making a rattling sound while kicking it on, then stopped working. So I think the engine seized.
What's the plan? How are we gonna do this?
Well, see if it goes around first by hand, and then remove the cylinder out, see what happens. There's not that much in this engine. Could be kicker mechanism or the cylinder. It's a two-stroke, so it's kind of easy.
So what'd you do yesterday? Oh, never mind. Okay, so the exhaust is mounted in two parts. This is not the original exhaust, as you can see, that the holes don't line up. There's supposed to be two bolts holding it on, and there's only one. The holes don't line up at the bottom.
RBM will make it better.
Yeah, if it's possible.
Light as a feather.
So, Mr. B made use of my sanitary room.
For free.
This is so nice, cozy and spacious. Unlike mine, so that's why I always go take a shit here at your house.
Oh, Jesus.
So I got the exhaust off. We could drain the oil and see what's behind this one.
You can sing me get me sing the beauty of the stage.
I said eat problems, shit solutions.
It sounds like concern.
But tell me, what did you do that was so...
I did the Bart move. I don't know what it's called, but it's the Bart move.
That's what I do.
I used
The box
the
end.
wrench thing, whatever. You do it. I'm busy. Hold on. No, stop fucking
Let
running.
him.
Don't fuck around with it. No.
Fuck's sake! You're making me nervous. Sorry, viewers, my hand is gonna get really in trouble. Are you ready?
Let's see what we can do.
Oh shit.
The oil looks good. You've got your inlet port, outlet port. There are two extra ports on the side.
Yeah.
But the rings scratch along those ports and they often break.
Oh, okay.
That's the problem with two-stroke. So it makes a rattling sound and it seizes. It's most likely
Piston rings.
piston rings. from the yoke on this side. Yeah. You just can you take this? The spring came out. Out of this.
Stay with me, if only for a moment.
Dudes, here we are again. We're ready to finish up this little mini motorcycle moped thing, whatever. The moped is outside. Now we're gonna go bring it inside as soon as we finish up the last few little details on putting this block together. Let's get to work.
I thought I'd be fine, but now my heart don't feel right in this pain. It doesn't go away. If I could turn back time, I would've never let you.
Now that we got the block back together, we're gonna put it in the frame. It's 3 bolts and that's it. And then we gotta put on the exhaust, carburetor, hook up all the wiring, and that should be done. Now we put on the chain.
No, just don't touch it.
He's always got it. Why do you always have to touch everything?
I'm trying to block it.
Yeah.
Why? I'm just trying. I'm only asking you to stay off of it.
So remember, folks, goes on this one, not on this one.
Push it.
No, you put one end here and one end there, or there. This one.
This one.
You have to push this in and grab that, and then squeeze it together. Or you got
Just push your hand here. Yeah.
it on there.
This is.
There you go. Your first chain you ever put together. What do you think of those samples?
Yeah.
But right now, we're gonna give it a shot, see what happens, see if we can get it started. See, we got this little tie wrap here, so that we knew which side of the chain goes on the outside, so it's rotating in the proper fashion, in the proper direction. And you cut a tie wrap.
Wow.
I'm proud of you.
Look at my hands.
Say
So Mr. M got the carburetor on there. Now we
Not
get the
really.
clip.
Almost. Needs
No,
more,
it doesn't
right?
go any further
Oh,
because there's a blockage right here, so it can
Right
only
here.
go on to here.
right here.
Yeah, it's right around there. So it
Then
won't
only
go any
the
further.
hose needs to.
The primary cover of this 2016 Tomos. That's a whole lot different than what we're used to, boys.
Doesn't make it.
Now that we got almost everything back put together, we're gonna try and start it first. But right now, we're gonna give it a shot, see what happens, see if we can get it started. See how much difference an exhaust makes, eh? Dudes and dudettes, as you hear, things running. We just have to make sure that it's tweaked a little bit so that all the things are working properly. So Mr. B did a good job again. Pretty proud of him. He knows what he's doing. He's pretty handy. Even I can learn something. He can't though. He's trying. But he's not again. So thanks for watching here at RBM. Peace out, dudes.